Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get free coins in Joi. So as you can see, I have the Joi, and this is actually the mod. So when I open it up, as you can see, these are the coins, but when I press this button, I can actually get unlimited coins. So I'm just going to wait for this to go up, and then I should have unlimited coins in my app, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download the modded version. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says verifying and all this stuff. So I'm just going to wait for it to go up. So as you can see, the coins are activated, it says. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the Joi hack for your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool. So it's actually working and like no jailbreak. So just come over here, find it, and then just press on it, press download. So before this downloads, there could be a verification. So this is the last step. So basically you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so at the end it's going to say like missing files, so I just got to download some of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9, so it's like a game. So I just go to the app store, play it till I'm level 9. So these are pretty simple, so just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So that's how I get it for your device. So you can see we got Mo Casino, all these different apps. So just make sure you do 2 of them, and then you should be good to go. So that's how to get the Joi hack for your device. So as you can see, we have like anti-ban and all this stuff, so it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, just make sure you download some of the apps. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but if you want Joi hack, please try us out because it is ready for you. You just have to download 2 of the apps. Got the video there, so this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So as you can see, we got unlimited coins. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out. This is super wild, and enjoy.